How to draw a bag of trash. Let's start with the knot at the top. So when you tie a bag of trash, you kind of get a knot like that. And then we want to draw these kind of raggedy ears on the top. And these are the strings that make the handles that kind of pull the whole thing together. And they'll go something like that. Maybe a bit of shade in there. And then we want to draw the bag itself. So let's bring this down like that. It's a bit like a balloon. And bring it down sort of fairly equally on either side like that. And then we'll do a little sort of curve like that. And then another one like that. And we can bring those up there with these dots, and that kind of extends them but doesn't make them too hard a line. And again here we can flick these lines out where it's clenching the whole thing together up at the top, and we can finish those with little lines which sort of soften it a bit. And then all we need to do is to add some shade. So let's start about there, and we'll put some shade on the ground. We'll make that come closer and closer, and then this is where it gets a bit harder, so we want to get that about there, and then we'll go the other way like that. These lines will be getting shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter to about there. And there you go, how to draw a bag of trash. You can always add a little bit of smell to the whole thing if you want as well, like that. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.